beautiful people. It's me, Renaissance Kiki, and today our topic for discussion is what nature teaches us about patience. What nature teaches us about patience. So, nature moves at its own pace, never rushing, yet always growing. There's a lesson in that for us. A tree doesn't force its growth. The sun doesn't hurry to rise. Everything unfolds in its own time. When we embrace patience, we align ourselves with the natural flow of life. Trust that what is meant for you will come to you in due season. Take a moment to observe nature today. What can it teach you about patience and trust?